Perfection is the enemy of starting. Just find the small door labeled Start. Motivation didn't appear first. Action did. Science proves this actually works. This tiny mistake is stealing hours of your life every single day. You reach for a book but end up on your phone. And just like that, another day is gone. Can't focus? Don't watch this unless you're ready to change. In just 2 minutes. Your brain isn't lazy, it's protecting you. Now watch what happens when the goal becomes ridiculously small.
Rule #1. Don't finish it. Just start.
Only 2 minutes. That's all your brain needs. Here's the strange part.
This tiny mistake is stealing hours of your life every single day.
Most people think they need motivation first. Action creates motivation. Want to exercise? Let's start with just 1 push-up. Now you are ready to win. Wanna write? It starts with just 1 sentence. And soon, you'll create a whole world. Small habits become unstoppable. Every giant success starts with a single tiny step. Keep rolling, keep growing, and you will become unstoppable. That is how you draw your own life. Your brain loves progress. It thrives on reaching every milestone. So keep pushing forward. Imagine doing this every single day. At first, it feels like an impossible climb, but soon, strength and confidence take over. Your challenge begins now! Remember, successful people don't wait for motivation. They simply start. They simply start.